Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So today we are gonna make Shami Kabab. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please go and subscribe first. First of all, here I have 600 grams of chicken, 2 cups of chickpea lentils, 4 onions, red chilies, it's about 6 to 7, 2 tablespoons of cumin, whole spice, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, garlic, 1 garlic and 2 inch of ginger, 1 bunch of coriander leaves fresh, 1 bunch of mint leaves fresh. Okay, and some green chili, it's about 10 to 15. It depends on you. If you don't want so much spicy, you can take 5 to 6 or 7 to 8 green chilies. So first of all, we are gonna cook the chicken with these spices and some water. Okay, so as you can see, now it's cooking with these lentils also. Give it a boil and then cover it so everything will be tender. Now as you can see, our all water is now evaporated, and now we have to just separate all the these spices, and shred the chicken and mash the lentils. So guys, as you can see, our lentils and all the spices are mashed completely, and here mint leaves, coriander leaves, 4 onions and green chilies are chopped, and I shredded the whole chicken. Now we have to assemble all the things. First of all, we have to add coriander leaves, green chilies, onions, all the things. Then we will add the chicken. Now I'll break the egg. Here I am taking 2 eggs. One, 2. Now mix these all the things, and now we will make the kebabs. So our kebabs are done now. Make 20 to 21 kebabs. I've made 21 kebabs. Now let's fry it. Now fry in a medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes of each side. Now flip it and cook it for more 2 to 3 minutes for this side. And yes, now our kebabs are ready and it's ready to serve. If you like watching this video, you know what to do. Hit the like button and tell me what's your favorite recipe and what's your favorite kebab in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Share with your friends and family and share your experience with me. We'll meet you in another video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.